This is the ESCO LITE UV flashlight. It's a 100 LED ultraviolet flashlight. Has a trusty little handle here. Has a good texture on it so it's easy to grip. You just turn it on by pushing the little button, and to turn it off you push it again. To make it work, you're going to unscrew the bottom and you're going to insert 6 AA batteries, 3 to each little container here, as you can see. You just put those in, put the little slides back in, screw the top, and let me show you how well this works. Now you're going to use this to find dog urine, any kind of urine, scorpions, bed bugs, but here is an example of what it's going to find. That is some urine left over from my dog on our wood floor. It'll find urine anywhere. And it's not, when you have the regular light on, you can't see it. When you use this black light, it's on. You can find the dry dog stains on the floor, carpet, ceramic tiles, hardwood floors, and household fabrics. I highly recommend this and see what all you can find in your home. It's really interesting.